Bill Gates has become the top U.S. farmland owner. He's loving the farmland. You didn't even know that.
He's a farmer?
I don't know if he's a farmer himself, but he's certainly interested in diversifying his holdings by picking up a bunch of land in Louisiana, Arkansas, Nebraska, and Arizona. He owns 242,000 acres.
Nice.
70,000, just under 70,000 in Louisiana. Just under 50,000 in Arkansas. 20,000 in Nebraska. 25,000 in Arizona, and 16,000 in Washington State. He owns 52,000 more acres than the second place owner of land. And this leads us to have to figure out why he is so interested in owning land. I know it's hard to even picture what 242,000 acres looks like.
He just likes to lie on the land.
That's right.
That's it.
Just go out right to the middle of the plot. Land is good. Land is limited. And maybe when you're that rich, you run out of places to put your money. But judging from how his entire position has changed so substantially post-Microsoft, I know he's still involved in Microsoft a little bit, but he's got all these other things going on now. He's big into vaccines, and he's big into philanthropy and all the rest of it. Is there a food component here? A food play? Because you got all this farmland, right? I mean, that's all I can really tell you on it. I don't know.
Something sustainable.
Sustainability.
I would think.
But the conspiracy theorists are going to say something evil is taking place here.
Probably.
Gobbling up all the available land so he can sell you his genetically modified superior food, which is the only food that's going to be good for you.
Windows food.
I'm just having fun right now. Bill, don't take it personal, Bill. I'm just joking around. You got a lot of land. You don't got to worry about me. What I say. You got all this land, man.